Hi guys, back again with another video. This time it's the unboxing of the BoAt BassHeads 900. These are BassHeads series. They have super extra bass. These are the kind of earphone that you use in gym because they have super extra bass. That's the BoAt warranty card, warranty information, claim information. That's the earphone itself. Okay, let's take a look at earphone itself. Now the earphones look good. One thing I like is this is foldable. This can be turned around, use whatever way you want. Sound quality is very good because it BassHeads series earphones, they lots of bass. It has an inline microphone. With one button, universal remote allows you to answer and manage your calls effortlessly. 3.5mm jack with knurled metal finish for better grip. And other good thing about this spring over here, which can helps you keeping the safe. Wire quality is very nice. It's thicker than usual. It's not as thin as regular wire. Let's talk about build quality. I like the build quality of this. You got a metal mesh on the outside. You got soft cushion inside. If you like our video, please hit the like button, subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching.